Information about Betula pendula f dalecarlica. Betula pendula f dalecarlica, commonly known as the Swedish white birch or the dalecarlian birch, is a deciduous tree that is native to northern and central Europe, including Sweden, Finland, Norway, and Russia. It is a variety of Betula pendula, also known as the European white birch. The tree typically grows to a height of 15 to 20 meters, 50 to 65 feet, and has a slender, conical shape when young, with a more rounded crown as it matures. Its bark is white and papery, with black diamond-shaped marks, and it often peels off in thin sheets. The leaves are triangular in shape and have a pointed tip, with a serrated edge. They are bright green in the summer and turn yellow in the autumn. Betula pendula f dalecarlica is a hardy tree that is tolerant of cold temperatures and grows well in a variety of soils, including sandy, loamy, and clay soils. It prefers well-drained soils and full sun to partial shade. The tree is often used in landscaping and as a street tree because of its attractive bark, slender shape, and tolerance to urban conditions. It is also used for its wood, which is strong, durable, and has a light color. Overall, Betula pendula f dalecarlica is a beautiful and useful tree that is well suited to many different growing conditions.